So hi guys, welcome back to Learn Solution. So today we're going to learn how to upload a code or a project to GitHub using Git. And the requirement you need is Git installed in your computer. You have a project. I'm using VS Code, so I will use Git inside VS Code. And you require a GitHub account. A GitHub account, Git, and a project. You can use any IDE you have, but you have to have Git installed in your system. So you first start by going to GitHub. Once you're in GitHub, on the far right corner, you see a plus button. So you click there, you add a new repository. So here you give the repository a name. So we call it Lonet Deco. Yeah, Lonet Deco. Then the other things you leave them as blank. So we shall click on create a repository. And that have been created, we shall see here the commands that we follow to upload the code in GitHub. So we start by git init, then we add a readme file, .md file, then you give the reason git commit minus n, this the m means the main branch, then the git first, this git commit, first commit means is the message that you write when you're uploading to GitHub. Then you shift from the master branch to main branch. Then you give the Git origin, you add the actual link to your GitHub repository that you created. Then you push your project to GitHub. So we shall go to our VS. So we shall come here, we shall write git init. We first initialize the project. As you can see, it has turned green. That means your repository has been initialized. Then we shall go to our GitHub. So the next process is git add readme.md file. So we shall come back to our VS Code and we shall write git add readme.md. Once that has been added, go to the next process. So the next is git commit. So we come here back to our project. So we say git commit minus m, can say first commit of the, can say the first commit. We have committed our readme file. We shall go to the next step. So after you have committed the readme file, we shall go to the next step. So the next step is git branch minus m to the main branch. So we move to the main branch. So we shall come here, we say git branch minus m main. So as you can see here, the branch was master. Now we are here, the branch is main. After that, we go to the next process. When we come here, we say git remote, we add the origin now. You can copy this to avoid making errors. You come back to your project, you right click, then you add. We have added our remote, we have added our repository to our project. Now the next process, go now to the next procedure. Now is git push minus u origin main. Now here I push the readme file first. So we shall come here back. So we shall say git push minus u origin main, and you push. So as you can see here, I've been denied access because of I'm using SSH key. So I have to generate the SSH keys push to my GitHub account. So I shall generate the SSH key, a var, and I shall use open in brackets, $s, in the bracket SSH / agent, and then you add the SSH key, SSH /add tilde /.ssh. Now this is the folder in my system that stores the SSH key, and that's the name of the folder or the file. It has been generated. Now I shall come and push again. As you can see, the README file has been pushed to GitHub. So if you go back to our GitHub account and we reload, you can see the README file has been pushed to GitHub. So we shall come back to our project and we push now the whole code to GitHub. So we shall say git. You can use one command or you can use each command at a time. You can do it simple way like this: git add, use a full colon to select all the files that are in green. That means they are untracked files and they have not been pushed to GitHub. So we shall say git add, then use a dot to select all, put a comma, git commit minus space minus m full colon reason for the commit of the project. So we can say first and say the first uploading of .NET Deco system. Just ensure the message is explanatory and is clear. Once you finish that, you close the speech marks, then you put another comma. It says git push. Then you push. As you can see now, the code is being pushed to GitHub. Now you're waiting GitHub to push all the codes. Slide into GitHub. And that's done. So for you to check if error file has been sent or been pushed to GitHub, you can say git status. As you can see, your branch is up to date. So we shall go back to our GitHub account and we see if it has been pushed. So you come here, just reload, and you can see all the file has been pushed to GitHub, all the files that you have done. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.